Sail Away is the perfect collection if you're looking for something nautical. It is a brand new collection from Memory Place. It has three different size papers, 12 by 12, 8 by 8, and 6 by 6. They're all exactly the same as far as the images that you're going to get. They're also exactly the same as far as the paperweight is concerned. The only difference is going to be size. Of course, they get smaller, and quantity. So in the 12 by 12, you get two of each of the designs, each of the papers, double-sided papers. In the 8 by 8, the same papers. The only difference is you're going to get three of each. And then in the 6 by 6, you're going to get four of each of the designs. So that is the difference, the two differences, the size and the quantity. So once again, the 12 by 12 only comes with two, but of course these are larger. So beautiful images, lots of journaling cards, as well as a starry sky. We've got a great map as well, and a beautiful, almost watercolor, nicely faded, so you can add a focal point if you want, or even cut it into smaller pieces. Beautiful page on side B. Here is really pretty because we've got these larger ones as well as these small ones, which could be pockets. These would be perfect for just scoring in half. This one could even have a gusset if you wanted it to and become an album. However, on the back side, it is slightly different. So these, of course, once again, just perfect for making a large journal. But here on the bottom, we've got pockets. So luckily you get two of each. So if you want to use this one as an album or pockets, and then this one as envelopes, that you'll have enough because you have two of each. Then we've got a lovely beach scene. And I love that. It's just beautiful as a journal and gorgeous squares there. Then we've got lots of ephemera. Once again, there's so much that you could also use the B side if you want to and just keep one of these. Remember, you're going to get three in the 8 by 8 and four in the 6 by 6. But they've got different size and shape tags. I love these. They're so pretty. All kinds of labels, parchment paper, pockets, and so much more. And then finally, we have a gorgeous compass rose. And on the back side, some beautiful wooden pieces with florals. Now, as I mentioned, they're exactly the same papers. So we've seen the 12 by 12, which is the same as the 8 by 8, the same as the 6 by 6. There is also an origami pack. It contains 24 sheets. There are four different designs, and then you're going to get 6 of each of those. Origami is a really fun medium to play with. If you've never used it for crafting, definitely give it a whirl because it's something that you're going to enjoy. We've done a couple of different craft alongs classes and workshops in which we have done all kinds of things that you can add onto your albums and your journals using origami, showing you how to make pockets and all kinds of other different things that you can add as well. So as I mentioned, there are 4 different designs. This is one. You're going to get 6 sheets. This is the other, 6 sheets of that. Then we've got 6 sheets of this one, and then 6 sheets of that one. So really fun, beautiful designs. And as you can see, they are a little different than what you got in the paper pads, which is really nice because you're not getting duplicates, just in another weight. We've also got journaling cards. There are 20 pieces in the journaling pack. Do not forget or discard the packaging in the journaling card pack because that is definitely fun. I've actually cut mine out this way and have used them so it looks like it's a layered piece, which is not, it's just a piece of paper. Of course, you could also cut it this way because you've got a really nice background as well. If you wanted to fold this and score it, you can even use it as a flip. Simply make sure you cover the back with all the beautiful papers that are included. But you're going to get the following design. They are double-sided. So once again, you can decide if you want to use front and back because you have plenty of each. You're going to get 5 of each. That's the front. Here's the back. Make sure it focuses for you. There we go. Then 5 of this one. Love the little seahorses, super cute. And then 5 of this one. Finally, there is also a washi tape. Now it's pretty hard to show it to you through the packaging, so I'm going to insert a photo here so that you can see just how pretty these postage stamps are. You can see it here that they is a tear apart. You can see the tear apart line there, perforated, where you can cut these out. And that is the beautiful Sail Away collection from Memory Place, also known as Asuka, which is a company from Japan. So we certainly hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough. Do let us know in the comment if there was a favorite item that you liked. We always love to hear your feedback. And we will be doing a giveaway once the video reaches 20 comments. That is 20 individual comments from different folks. So make sure you share it out with your friends so that we can get those comments up, and then we will go ahead and do a giveaway. And we'll do it, say, about a week from today. And then that way we can make sure we have plenty of time for there to be enough of you that have entered, and we'll pick a winner. Whether we'll do something Memory Place, possibly, or we might do a gift card. So stay tuned and make sure you enter by commenting down below. I'm going to leave another inspirational video here at the end, and we will see you there.